You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is related, stay tuned, and that is confusing, I've got more videos for you. It's normally pronounced, the dictionaries and all the solid references say it's pronounced abro, not abro. Abrosexual. Now, the end of it can be either sexual, which is the most common pronunciation in English, sexual, but it can be pronounced as sexual as well. Abrosexual or abrosexual, but the beginning is pronounced abro, I'm afraid, unless you have other sources that say otherwise. But yeah, solid, good sources say abrosexual, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.